Dear students, today we will learn about test of divisibility. What is the divisibility? Divisibility test help us to check without actual division whether a number is divisible by another number or not. Means without actual division we will find one number is divisible by another number without actual division. One example in last two chapter in multiplication and division, you will find without actual division a multiplication multiplied by 10 a 100, a divided by 10 100 a 1000. The same another test of divisibility is here. Without actual division we will find one number is divisible by another. The first is divisibility by 2. One number is divisible by 2. You know all even number are divided by 2. That is in table of 2 you know all even numbers are come in the table 2 are even numbers. That is here example 14 divided by 2 equal to 7, 246 divided by 2 equal to 123, 3468 divided by 2 1734. That is all even numbers are divided by 2, there is no remainder. There is no remainder. All even numbers are divisible by 2. This means that numbers ending with a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, ending with a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that is 10, 12, ending with 2, 14, ending with a 4, 36, ending with a 6, 58, ending with a 8. These numbers are divisible by 2. There is no remainder. Next, divisibility by 3. How to find one number is divisible by 3. That is, here one example 24 divided by 3. You know the table 8 3s are 24. So we can divide 24 by 3 equal to 8. But how to find it? In dividend 24 is the number. We add the digits of the dividend 24, that is 2 plus 4 equal to 6. That is 6 is exactly divisible by 3. 6 is exactly divisible by, that is 6 is the multiple of 3. So we can divide 23 by 3 without remainder. If the sum of all digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number itself is divisible by 3. One example is given here 25 divided by 3. You know the table 25 divided by 3, then table 8 3s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. That is 25 is not there in the table. Check here 2 plus 5 equal to 7. 7 is not a multiple of 3. 3 is exactly not divisible by 7. Check here 8 3s are 24. You will get the remainder 1. That means 25 is not divisible by 3. And you can check it 2 plus 5 equal to 7. 7 is not a multiple of 3. Here 7 is not divisible by 3. So we cannot divide 25 divided by 3. The next example 36 divided by 3. 3 plus 6. Dividend is 36. Then sum of the digit 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 is exactly divisible by 3. That is 36 is divisible by 3. 36 divided by 3 we get 12. 12 3s are 36. Remainder equal to 0. That is 36 divided by 3 equal to 12. Next, divisibility by 5. 30 divided by 5 equal to 6. 45 divided by 5 equal to 9. 70 divided by 5 equal to 14. You know the table of 5. Check the table. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. All the multiples end with a 0 or 5. All the multiples end with a 0 or 5. So, numbers ending in 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. Ending with a numbers ending with a 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. Yes, one example. 30 divided by 5 equal to 6. 55 divided by 5 equal to 11. But 46 divided by 5. Then you know the table. 9 5s are 45. 10 5s are 50. 46 is not in the table. Then you can check it. 9 5s are 45. 46 minus 45 equal to 1. That is remainder is 1. That is 46 is not exactly divisible by 5. That is the numbers ending with 0 and 5 only divisible by 5. Next, divisibility by 9. Here 63 divided by 9. That is you know the table. 63 divided by 9 equal to 7. How to check it? The dividend is 63, that is 6 plus 3 equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 9, that is 9 is the multiple of 9. So, we can divide 63 by 9. This is similar to the divisibility by 3, the same condition of the 3. In 3, how to check it? Or sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Yeah, sum of the digits are multiple of 3, then we will divide the number exactly. Same in 9 also, the sum of the digit is a multiple of 9, yeah, exactly divisible by 9, then we can divide the number by 9 also. One example is given here. 72 divided by 9 equal to 8. That is 7 plus 2 equal to 9. 9 is the multiple of 9. 63 divided by 9 equal to 7. That is 6 plus 3 equal to 9. 56 divided by 9. We can divide. Check it. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 11 is not a multiple of 9. 11 is not divisible by 9. So we cannot divide 56 divided by 9 exactly. Check it. 56 divided by 9. 9, 6 are 54. Then remainder is 2. There is 2 is the remainder. So we cannot divide 56 exactly by 9. Next is the divisibility by 6. Here 54 is one number is given. 54 divided by 27. 54 divided by 2 equal to 27. 54 divided by 3 equal to 18. Then 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9. How? A number is divisible by 2 and 3. One number is divisible by 2. Check the divisibility of 2 is 54. That is unit digit is 4. So we can divide 54 by 2. Next 54 divided by 3. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Yes, 9 is exactly divisible by 3. Then 54 is divisible by 2 and 3. So we can divide 54 divided by 6. 9 6 are 54. That is 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. That is 2 and 3 can divide by this number. Then we can also divide the number by 6. Here some example. 36 divided by 6. 6 6 are 36. Check it. 36 is exactly divisible by 2. How? 6 is the unit digit. So, then 36 divided by 3 equal to 12. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So, we can divide 36 divided by 6. That is 36 is divisible by 2 and 3. So, we can divide 36 divided by 6. Same one example, 66 divided by 6. Listen, 6 is the unit digit, so we can divide by 2. 66 by 2 equal to 33. Then 66 divided by 3. We can check it. 6 plus 6 equal to 12. 12 means 1 plus 2 equal to 3. That is 3 is divisible by 3. So we can divide 66 by 3 also. Then 66 can divide by 2. 66 can exactly divisible by 3. So 66 is exactly divisible by 6. Next, divisibility by 10. That is, two numbers are given here. 90 divided by 10 equal to 9. 130 divided by 10 equal to 13. You know the tables. You can check the table of 10 or tables from 1 to 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. All numbers are end with a 0. All numbers are end with a 0. Then we can find numbers ending in 0 are divisible by 10. All the multiples of 10 are end with 0. So the unit digit, when the unit digit is 0, then that number is divisible by 10.